In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a progress tracking system in Notion. We're going to create something simple, practical, and easy to maintain so you can track goals, tasks, or projects in one clear place. The idea is to give you a system that not only stores your work, but also helps you see how far you've come and what still needs attention. Start by creating a database in Notion. This will be the main space where you track everything. Depending on your workflow, this database can be used for personal goals, daily tasks, or larger projects. Give each item its own entry so you can manage progress individually. Keeping everything inside a database makes it easier to sort, filter, and review later, especially as your list grows. Next, add a progress field that will help you measure how complete each item is. You can do this in a few different ways depending on how detailed you want your tracking to be. A number field works well if you want to enter percentages manually. A checkbox is useful for very simple, complete or not complete tracking. A status field is great if you prefer labels like not started, in progress, or done. Choose the option that best fits the way you naturally work, because the best system is the one you'll actually keep updating. If you want Notion to calculate progress automatically, add a formula field. This is especially helpful if your progress depends on other properties in the database. For example, you might want progress to update based on completed tasks or milestones. Using a formula can save time and reduce manual edits, which is great if you're managing multiple items at once. To make progress easier to read at a glance, create a progress bar using a formula. This gives you a visual indicator of how far along something is, which can be much more motivating than just looking at a number. A progress bar also helps you scan your database quickly and spot what's moving forward and what might be falling behind. After that, create different views for active, completed, and delayed items. Views help you focus only on what matters in the moment. For example, an active view keeps your current priorities visible, while a completed view lets you review what you finished. A delayed view is especially useful for catching items that need extra attention before they become forgotten. As you work, make sure to update progress after each task or milestone. This keeps your tracker accurate and useful. Even the best setup won't help much if it isn't maintained regularly. Finally, review your progress weekly to stay on track. A quick weekly check-in helps you notice patterns, celebrate wins, and adjust your plans before small delays turn into bigger problems. With this system in place, your Notion workspace becomes a clear and reliable progress dashboard.